It's been a year since our launch, and we're here to help you master Zoho products. YouTube has become the go-to platform for learning and tutorials, and that's exactly what we offer. We provide comprehensive overviews, tutorials, and step-by-step instructions for all Zoho tools. But what sets us apart as consultants? We're here to answer your questions. For example, have you ever wondered how to delete sections and tasks? We've got you covered.
Let's say I have a section in a task layout that I do not use anymore and just I want to remove it. For me, it would be section 2. How do I do this? How do I remove this section? I will go to Settings, select Customization, Tasks, and pick the layout that I want a section to be removed from. So this is the section that I want to remove. To do this, I will need to remove fields first. And then click on the bin icon. Do not forget to save. That's how the section is removed. Let's check.
Whether you're setting up Zoho One, CRM, Desk, Project, People, or any other Zoho application, our channel is your guide. And if you still have questions, simply comment below the relevant video, or send an email to knowhow@customerization.ca. Join us on the Customization Zoho Consultant YouTube channel and unlock the full potential of Zoho for your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe.